Dear passengers, just a quick update. We still haven't received the list with the information regarding their connecting flights. Once we get the information, we will inform you as soon as possible. So for now, please one more moment of your patience again. As you might have noticed, we have not landed yet in today's so-called go-around. We will get back shortly with more information as soon as possible. For now, keep your seatbelt on and remain seated. Ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, you've noticed we're not yet on the ground. The reason is the wind increased on the approach, and we have a certain number of miles per hour of tailwind we are allowed to take before landing, and the wind was out of that limit or beyond that limit. We are, however, still in the vicinity of Amsterdam, expecting a normal landing on a different runway. Schiphol has many runways, and we have an interwind runway for this time for the approach. So on the ground in just a few minutes. I'll speak to you again once we're on the parking position. Thank you.
passengers, welcome to Amsterdam. Please remain seated. You may now switch on your phone and other devices again. As soon as the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off, you may collect your belongings from the luggage bins, but be careful as the items may have moved during landing and could fall out unexpectedly. Despite the delay, we still hope that you had a good flight with us. We would like to thank you for choosing KLM. We hope to welcome you aboard KLM again soon and we wish you a lovely remainder of your evening. Ook voor onze Nederlandse passagiers, welkom op de luchthaven van Amsterdam. We hopen dat u ondanks de vertraging een fijne vlucht met ons heeft gehad. Wij willen u in ieder geval bedanken voor het kiezen van KLM. Wij hopen u snel weer aan boord te mogen begroeten en wij wensen u nog een hele fijne avond. And dear passengers, as promised, we have the updated gate information for the passengers waiting connecting flight. We are almost at our parking stand, so I will announce it very quick. First of all, the passengers with a missed connection. Those are the flights to Rome, Nantes, Zagreb, Lisbon, Birmingham, Oslo and Helsinki. Please go to the transfer desks. My colleagues over there will rebook you on the next possible flights. What you can do now is switch on your phone and open the KLM app. Most of the time you already rebooked on the next flight. So your new information is most of the time already in the app, via text or email. For the passengers with a flight later this evening, I have the Valencia KL1535. Your gate number is B24 Bravo 24 and your flight is delayed until 9:15. So you have half an hour to catch your next flight. Flight to Krakow. Your departure gate is B2 Bravo 02 and your flight is departing at 10:15. Flight to Zagreb KL1969. Your gate Flight to Stavanger. Your gate number is B34 Bravo 34 and your flight is delayed until 9:30. Flight to Genoa. Your departure gate is B16 Bravo 16 and your flight is delayed until 9:40. Flight to Bordeaux. Your departure gate is B2 and your flight is delayed until 9:15. Flight to Lyon. your gate is B36 and your flight is delayed until 9:30. The flight to Manchester, your gate is E4, Echo 04, and your flight is delayed until 9:25. For all other flights later today, please use the electronic screens in the terminal building, and you can find the most updated information on the KLM website or in the app. Once again, we hope, despite the delay, we still hope you had a good flight with us. We wish you a lovely remainder of your evening, and we hope to welcome you on board again soon.
Cabin crew, please arm the slides.